This course is actually one of the kind because there is no other opportunity to study the digital technologies at the university, and it's like joining computers and all other digital machines together with dentistry. Our group is quite big, and I met some really nice dentists from around the world. We have huge and long discussions about treatment planning and diagnostics, which are very important at the first steps of the treatment. We have met experts from also all over the world, quite many from Switzerland as well, and the quality and experience of those people is extraordinary. If I had to convince one of my colleagues to do this course, which actually I've already done, I would really mark up the possibility to learn the new machines and digital gadgets, to touch them and to learn how to work with them. It's a perfect opportunity for a working dentist to do the learning and still stay at his clinic for a while.